How to color cupboards.
Okay, so we are back with our second part to our super gloss cupboards, and this is the most modern kitchens that you will find. They are all made with super gloss. So this is part 2. You can see we have there a nice red super gloss. We had storm gray before that, and this wood has a very nice shine. It's very easy to clean, also reflects the light nicely. And basically all your modern cupboards are done with a super gloss. So you can see we can design your oven eye level height. Yeah, we like it when clients can always mix and match colors, to break the color a bit. It's always nice, gives it a unique look. We also make floating units. You can see that is also done in super gloss. So any TV units that you are looking for, we can do it for you. You give us the size of the TV and we design accordingly. Here we are looking at top cupboards, and you can see there are no handles added. This gives it a nice clean look. Sometimes the handle just breaks the super gloss finish. Obviously with kitchen cupboards it's a bit different at the bottom, and also bedroom cupboards. But it all depends on what the client wants. We can also make the doors for your bedroom cupboards full mirror, so that you have a nice standing mirror in front of you. And you can see the full length from head to shoe. So we can make cupboards that goes around your bedroom. White is a nice clean look. It's the most popular color, the super gloss. We can make glass bedroom cupboards for you as well. And this all has a nice mechanism to remove your clothes and also your shoes and so on. You can see very practical in terms of ergonomics, no bending of your backs and so on. And you can see full glass sliding doors, also with nice lights inside. We can make it change color for you. And basically you will see that the clothing also comes out quite nicely on a pull down pole. So here you're looking at some other super gloss colors that are out there, rather available on the market. So you choose a color, you send us a photo of what kitchen you are looking for, a sample, and we will send you a quote. The quote will be in PDF, and it will be a breakdown of the costing for all the material needed, and then also the costing for the labor to do the job. So we are just showing you all our showroom things that we have. You can see we have different handles that you want, different size legs, also styles. Nice super gloss finish. So you let us know what you want and we will source it accordingly. That is the melamine finishes again, the different colors. You can see your accessories like your spice racks, your zings and so on, double zing, single zing. We can fit that for you as well. We do plumbing, tiling, electrical work with plugs. You want to maybe do all the dirty work first before the cupboards come, because that is basically the ending of the finishing of everything. And this is just the different countertops that you are looking at over there. And this is also the super gloss finishes that you get. And we can have a better look now that it's a bit longer. Some beautiful colors. So you can see we have the best suppliers. Always getting the latest trends. And we want our clients to go crazy, you know, mix and match. In fact, this wall alone looks nice with all different colors. This is just the different finishes that you get also. And this again is just some more samples of the melamine that you maybe I forgot to include in the previous video. We just want to give you a better look with lighting. Make it easier for you to choose which colors you want. Black is a very popular color. Unfortunately, burnt oak is discontinued. So here and there some colors are discontinued, but we will let you know as we go along. Right now you can tell us any color you want. So this is just different mechanisms that you get. And you can see we have a mechanism here that allows you to hang clothes and so on. You know, you can pull it out like I told you before. And this would just allow you to then access your clothes easier. So all these designs we can fit for you. You can let us know what you want. Fancy cupboards, the best. We got it. You know, your corner cupboards will now be easy to access. No struggles whatsoever. And here you are looking at a nice wine rack as well, or just packing space for your glasses and so on, your plates. All with modern technology, easy access. So you let us know what you want and we will definitely make that for you. Here we are looking at more accessories that you get. You will see there's a nice bin cupboard opener as well. So give us a call, we will fit you with the latest, most modern technology. If you want doors that are transparent, we can do that for you. If you want the bin cupboard, bin doors, we can do that for you. Just anything to suit the client. You can see we have nice baskets, drawers and so on for your potatoes, your vegetables, your fruits. And you can see this easy access, turning a confined space into a nice, beautiful, easy access space. So we can fit aluminium doors for you. We also do blinds, aluminium. You can let us know. We are the best guys for the job. You can see we have push to open mechanisms as well. So don't snooze, you lose. Give us a call and we will sort you out. There's more samples that you are looking at, and we thank you for your time.